Want to know how to change your narration voice or your playing voice in Kimi AI? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. So Kimi also had narration voices that can narrate out words or prompts that you give. So you can also change the voices as well. On the top left side, you should be seeing this 3 hamburger icon right here. Just simply select that. And now once I selected this hamburger icon, here you should be seeing your profile right here. So you can just simply select your profile. So now once you're on your profile, here you should be seeing various options. So you can just simply scroll down until you see general, and right below that here you should be seeing play voice. Just simply select that, and here you can just simply change it from once more. So you can also see your sample by just clicking on it, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.